In this video I'm going to show you how to export PNG image. Okay, so I already opened a footage. I want to export PNG image from this footage. Find here this export frame. Okay, if you are not see this icon in here, click the plus icon, find here, see export, click, drag and drop here, then press OK. Export. See, name, you can set a name here. One, which format you want to export. So BPX, GIF, JPEG, PNG, TIFF. I want to export PNG. Where you want to export, change your location from here. Want to export desktop, select this folder. So I am to import project and also click OK. Image is exported here. Also image will export desktop, so export here also. Hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.